I think it's time to clean this carpet. It's not looking too bad, but there's some dirty marks on this carpet around the vanities in the bathroom, and I want to get those cleaned off. And you see there's just a few specks here and there, and we've had this carpet cleaned before we moved in a few months ago, and it already has marks on it. Not to worry though, I've got something I want to show you. Now, this was the area here. Remember I cleaned this whole area with simple green? It didn't look too bad, does it? But I can't do that over this whole room. And where else do I have more that needs to be cleaned? Yeah, right along here. Right in here in the living room. All in there, a little bit. Then there's some right in here. And where else do I have it? Oh, yeah, the painters did a little foo-ball right there. And see, this little landing area is kind of dirty. The stairs don't look half bad. I'm not going to mess with the stairs today, but look at that. There's a spot there. And I'm not sure if that's all going to come out all the way, but I'm going to check it and see. Got a couple more spots there. There's a spot. There's another spot over there. Good Lord. Yeah. It's just in the traffic areas, and I'm just going to do the work. Here's another spot here. I'm just going to do some work in the traffic areas. I'm not going to do all this carpet. Most of this carpet is in pretty good shape, but it's in the traffic areas that I'm more concerned about than not, and I'm anxious to try out my new toy. I'm going to show you that here. Might as well just keep running the camera. Boy, I'm already tired. What do we have here? Kaboom. It's a Hoover Power Scrub Elite. Dries 2 times faster than a leading commercial cleaner. Yes. I've had 2 other Hoover cleaners, carpet cleaners, and I haven't used this one yet. I'm anxious to do this. Moni, she just went to go exercise, and I have not used this yet. This is a new one that I got at the store. And it even comes with some cleaner, some deep clean pet cleaner. We don't have pets, but I'm going to use that. And this one should be fairly the same as what I've used before. I've had, like I said, I had 2 different Hoover cleaners. And every year or 2, they go out of well, they make new ones. They always make new ones, just like cars, you know. You can't sell last year's model. And so I'm gonna see what parts we have here and see if we can't get this thing put together, because I'm anxious to use it. I wanted to try to get it used before she comes back. Especially upstairs. And it has a bag here. I'm not going to use this. This is for the stairs and stuff. It comes with a hose and a bottom part for the hose, you know, that you can hook onto the front, like do stairs or stuff like that. I'm not gonna end up using that. This should work pretty close to what I'm used to doing from the past. What that thing there's for. Let's see if it goes on with that thing facing up. No, it doesn't. Well, that must be the clip to put the hose in or something? I don't know. Not quite sure. And it's got a nice brush on the bottom of it. And I don't think there's much to this. I think there's two screws to put this thing together. And that's it. Let's see what happens. Maybe I'll just leave that alone. Okay, where do the screws go? Okay, on the sides. On the sides. Okay, where do the screws fit? Okay, I see. You would think they would make it sturdier than this, but maybe not. This handle's held with two little screws, and that's it. Anything, you probably should read the directions before you start. But like I said, I've had Hoovers before, and they actually worked pretty good. And after 1 year's model, it might have went a couple of years, and then they came out with a new model, and they were around $100, maybe $115. Then they went up a little bit. And now they've gone up a little more. This one was like $149, but I think it was on sale at the time. And sometimes, here's another tip for you, sometimes you can get something like this at the end of the year on sale because maybe they're discontinuing them and coming out with a new model. They might have a few left. I ended up doing that. It looks like there's you can fill it at both sides. Oh, that's tricky. I've not seen this before. Here you can turn the dial, wash, and then rinse. Now, how does that work? Oh, there. Rinse. Nice. Oh, I see. Oh. Okay. You fill this up with the wash side, and that's where you put the cleaner. See? Oh, here's the solution here. And that must, I don't know. It's like you put the solution in on that side, and you fill the water side up over here. And then when you're washing it, You have it on wash, and then when you want to rinse it, you put it on rinse, and that will just do water. And I'm not sure how that works, because it looks like, oh, I see. There's a plastic thing right here. Okay, so the solution you pour in the top of this. Well, that's kind of cool. And then it goes, it's just a little compartment there. And then it goes down and it comes down here at the bottom. So before, you would just put the cleaner stuff in and then fill the rest up with water. Well, it doesn't work that way. You just put all of your cleaner here and then it mixes down at the bottom. That's kind of slick. I kind of like that. So I'm just going to have to remember, because before, most cleaning things, it's like, okay, you clean it back and forth, and how do you rinse it? Because every time you press more water out, more cleaner comes out, because it's all mixed in with the water. Okay? So that tells me that I'm going to have to constantly remember to do that, from clean to rinse. Okay, I can do that. It feels a little tinny, not as sturdy as last year's model, but each year they design these to run a little bit better than the preceding year. Okay, so I'm gonna try it. I've always had good luck with Hoover. Now they have different ones, and here's the quick start guide right there, and it shows you, different things on how to clean and stuff. Deep clean mode. Turn the dial to deep clean mode to clean your carpets for a powerful clean. Quick clean. Oh, there's quick clean and deep clean. Huh. There's the wash and stuff. Quick, clean, and deep clean. That's kind of slick there too. I'm glad I read this. I always tell you, always read the directions. Deep clean and quick clean modes. Okay? Okay. So we've got that. Quick clean, deep clean. Because for some of those spots down there, I'll probably have to flip that. Man, it sounds like there's a lot more that I'm going to have to be aware of. But that's okay. That's okay. I need to get in there and get going. Okay, so that's what this video is. I'm gonna video me cleaning the carpets and see how well this Hoover carpet cleaner works. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. I have no idea what I'm going to show you next time. You'll just have to keep watching. But I'll figure something out. I want you to start saving money around the house.